Welcome to the Hindu analysis. Supreme Court has rejected Rajasthan Speaker's plea to stay High Court proceedings. Case pertains to validity of the anti-defection notice he issued to Pilot and 18 other MLAs. Justice Arun Mishra had asked, can the voice of dissidents shut down in democracy? Question is about democracy, how it will survive, and other serious that it is a serious issue and requires prolonged hearing. Women officers can now get permanent commission in Army. Defense Ministry issues formal order. Curbs on bidders from few nations. Government has brought in some amendments in General Finance Rules 2017. Registration and security clearance for bidders. Sharing land border with India in public procurement tenders is now mandatory. CM has inspected redevelopment works at Chandni Chowk. Conservation, preservation, key to Lona Lake development, says High Court. India and Israel to work on rapid test, high-ranking R&D team to arrive. So, Lok Sabha Assembly bypolls has been put off. Deadlines for filling these vacancies ranges from July 30th to September 7. Ranjan Gogoi, former CCI, named for House Panel on External Affairs in Rajya Sabha. Ties with US severely harmed, China has said. UK EU rule out quick post-Brexit deal. Airstrikes by Afghan forces kill 45. China has launched ambitious Mars mission. It is keen to US in successfully landing on Mars. Protect financial sector health. Former RBI chief Rajan has said government should weight the cost that sector can bear, ensure it's adequately capitalized. Now some information about general financial rules, what it is. They are compilation of rules and orders of Government of India to be followed by while dealing with matters involving public finances. These rules and orders are treated as executive instructions to be observed by all departments and organizations under the government and specified bodies except otherwise provided for in this rule. Expenditure Management Commission set up in 2014 recommended further enhancement of GFRs in 2005. Some of the changes that led to this were removal of distinction in non-planned and planned expenditure, merger of railway budget with general budget, focusing on outcomes through an improved outcome budget document, increased focus on public finance management system, direct benefit transfer scheme, introduction of new e-sites like Central Public Procurement Portal, Government e-marketing, GEM portal, non-tax revenue portal. Efficiency of public expenditure, accountability, flexibility, and timely fiscal management was to be set up in this new rules of 2007. Now, this is a brief history about Afghanistan and emergence of Taliban. This week we have seen a lot of news on Afghanistan and Taliban. So in 1933 up to 1973, it was Afghanistan was in peace and stability under Mozahiban Barkazai dynasty ruled by Zahir Shah. In July 1973, he was overthrown by Muhammad Daud Khan due to some of the discontent had grown in urban area. There were several droughts, corruption charges were made, and there were some poor economic policies. On account of this, Daud Khan overthrew Zahir Shah. He was supported by a faction of People's Democratic Party of Afghanistan, which was a communist party founded in 1963 and had strong relations with Soviet Union. Daud Khan tried to scale back the PDPA's growing influence in 1976, but in April 27, 1978, he was killed and his associates and family were killed. PDP did not enjoy mass support after that. So this is one of the outline in which Zahir Shah, then Daud Khan came, then after some point Nur Muhammad Tariqi came, Muhammad Nazibullah was there, Ahmad Shah Massoud was there, then emergence of Taliban by Mullah Umar. Later on, he was Taliban was led by Mullah Mansour, and right now it is being led by Habibullah. Supreme Court has rejected Rajasthan Speaker's plea to stay High Court proceedings. Case pertains to validity of the anti-defection notice he issued to Pilot and 18 other MLAs. Justice Arun Mishra had asked, can the voice of dissidents shut down in democracy? Question is about democracy, how it will survive, and other serious that it is a serious issue and requires prolonged hearing. Women officers can now get permanent commission in Army. Defense Ministry issues formal order. Curbs on bidders from few nations. Government has brought in some amendments in General Finance Rules 2017. Registration and security clearance for bidders. Sharing land border with India in public procurement tenders is now mandatory. CM has inspected redevelopment works at Chandni Chowk. Conservation, preservation, key to Lona Lake development, says High Court. India and Israel to work on rapid test, high-ranking R&D team to arrive. So, South Afghanistan at the meantime witnessed Taliban movement. Taliban literally meant a student. When in 1979 Soviet had interfered or intervened, then many of the Afghanistan refugees had settled down in south part of Afghanistan or northern part of Pakistan as refugees. They were students of Jamaati Ulema Islam that run a religious school for Afghan refugees in Pakistan. Mullah Umar was one of them. He started this Taliban movement. In 1994, Taliban took control of Kandahar and then several provinces in southern and central Afghanistan. Ahmad Shah Massoud, Secretary of Defense of Afghanistan, tried to bring in democracy and free elections in Afghanistan. On September 27, 96, Taliban seized Kabul. Later on, Taliban had larger power in Afghanistan. It, it has been condemned internationally for the harsh enforcement of their interpretation of Islamic Sharia law, which had resulted in the brutal treatment of many Afghans, especially women. Women were required to wear all covering burqa, banned from public life, denied access to healthcare and education. Several massacres of civilians by Taliban has been recorded. Indian flight was hijacked in 99, destroyed destruction of two ancient Buddha statues carved into a mountainside in Bamiyan led to destruction of its secular image. Then in 2001, after attack on WTA, US attacked Taliban because Osama bin Laden, the main accused, was protected by them. Though weakened, but Taliban in later years continued to expand by presenting US as a foreign intruder in their internal affairs and Afghanistan government as puppet in US hand. Moreover, the military of Afghanistan is not so strong to defend against Taliban. That's how they continue to expand. In 2015, it was revealed that Mullah Omar, the founder and leader of Taliban, had died 2 years earlier. This was turning point in Taliban's history. Mullah Akhtar Muhammad Mansour became leader, but he was assassinated by US in May 2016. Maulavi Habatullah Akhundzada became the next Amir of the or leader of the Taliban. More information could be taken out from these references. That's all for today. Thank you.